Alright, every PMO a few years to see now as you can see, a sword cutting program, construction of Dodowa, Efenya, Duwenya Road, plus selected town roads. So I say, as you can see, these are the cars over 20 trucks and 20 over 20 trucks and excavators. Dear to say, the president of Ghana are provided for the construction of Dodowa Afenya Road. As you can see, these are I can count. I don't say I mean counting. So these are the cars I have provided as part of the big push agenda. No, these are the cars I have provided. Yes, as part of the big push. No, these are the cars over 20 trucks. Over 20 trucks. Cars to say and next sword cutting. You have provided some fanya a quino. So I say, as you can see. So, Nina, a bit bon, what I say, over 21, say, and also excavators, such as some of the Bayer Dodowa, I feel your quino. Now, as we already read, a $10 billion $10 billion project, as part of the 24-hour economy. As you can see, these are the cars. These are the cars, trucks. The Mahama, the president of Ghana, every PM say now our cattle sword to commission the pioneer. So as you can see, Masada Namede what is actually happening here. So all these cars as a part of they are provided as part of the 24-hour economy to make roads. So to make roads. See, so to make roads, maybe we're gonna have a county. So a county, yes, a county boss, a county. As you can see, so this is the big push agenda, the big push project. The big push project, a part of the 24-hour economy. Now it's basically about $10 billion. John Dramani Mahama, pussy, other projects be a wumbiano. Yes, $10 billion ever provided. I provided much information in the description. You can go there and read as so many. So, and see, as we see here, instead of all catching sword, I feel you say no. And they also say catching sword, who. To commission a hot and also encounter. So, and see, let me chat show. This is a live update. It's been an arrival. Ebemao, the man drone shots. So this is what is happening here at Afenya. It's I am for me, brother Piano say, MPs, ministers, every piano say. It's the update because they are at the amount one say. Now we area John Domani Mahama or take excavator ma yes na me
Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, and the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Yo nyachopa nyachumka wamahem yelo maya kune yanchwa zubami siloko imayanchwa zubami yo imaba ni mabanga wamacheme wamanyeme. We also duly acknowledge the General Secretary of the NDC, Nenetete Wangi, and Nana Yobiyu. You're all very welcome. We're grateful to you for your support. Also, we duly acknowledge the Archdeacon Joseph Lankwe Lamte, who is the coordinating minister for the St. Barnabas Anglican Church and the former Archdeacon of the Accra East area. We are grateful to all of you for being here this afternoon to support His Excellency. And at this time, he will be ably supported by the Roads and Highways Minister, the Regional Minister, and Mr. Humphrey Awolete Williams, the CEO of the construction firm Oswald Investments Limited, to officially cut sword for the start of this program. Watame kawanyeme piono hine wasuo wake enoba nyagbe seloko mahem yelo majihio imaya ne imaya hi amashio kakemi ne imatwa zubam kone wake boni nichumio se piono ibange macheme kemanyeme kewasa macheme choma foi Enga wagana mabio mechoka foi wadambe bio me kaneneme ne angekupano no enga mechoka foi Achami Nathaniel Anton Achumka kabelo nyeba na wahie na wachumi chimio na feno ya kepepe maone ejo Achumka Achumi walete Nathaniel
state. And residents in the area have complained bitterly because the road has become dusty, and people who live along the stretch of the road from Dowenya to Afienya, it's just about 7.2 kilometers road. But the road, because of the bad nature, security-wise, people have complained because during the night there's slow traffic on the road and people are not able to move the normal way they are supposed to move. So they normally get attacked. They are being attacked by armed robbers along the stretch. Then again, people traveling, this is an important road connecting the N1, that's Tema, Aplau Road, and also Akosomo Tema. It is a trunk road connecting this road. So it reduces the level of traffic. And today that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has captured this road under the Big Push project, we are so excited. But had it not been the effort of our Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable Samuel Nate George, and also through the effort of our hard-working DC, Honorable Raphael Uranate, we wouldn't have seen today. So today, I will say that I'm excited because the road, which has been in a deplorable state, is going to be constructed.